shovel coal from morning till dusk. He was married to a gal named Stella, in whom he placed all his faith and trust. But Stella was a high-flying woman who didn't care about settling down. So when John went to work each morning, that's when Stella started messing around. There's a reason they John away this morning. John away this morning. They took John away this morning, and he ain't a-coming home no more. Lord, he ain't a-coming home no more. John got a poison pen letter, and it said Stella wasn't true. She was flirting with a tall go-getter who had motored in from St. Louis. While John was digging in that coal mine, sweating like a waterfall, Stella was spending her money, having one a big natural ball. Well, John left the coal mine early. He took a cab and headed right home. But the shadows at the parlor window told him Stella wasn't home alone. So he sneaked in the back porch screen door, and he loaded up his 45. When the smoke cleared away, dear brothers, John was the only one alive. That's the reason they took John away this morning. Let me tell you, they took John away this morning. They took John away this morning, and he ain't a-coming home no more, 'cause he's headed for state prison. He's headed for state prison. Yes, John's headed for state prison, and he ain't a-coming home no more. Lord, he ain't a-coming home no more. Ain't coming home no more. Yeah, they took John away this morning.